Market review, another win. Um, really good day again. Very patient, and that's literally all you could ask for. But yeah, we'll start on the hourly. We'll turn these executions off, and then we'll get back on. Is that Monday? This week. Put that in the Discord just because I saw it earlier. Anyways, yeah, 100% win rate this week. Really good, really clean. We'll start on the hourly. Turn the executions back off in a sec. So it's Thursday. We had to stretch because there was like no buy side. Let's actually check the news. Just chuck it on CGC. Check the news. We had 8:30 news and Trump speaking whenever. So yeah, high probability day, but the PA wasn't that great. It took a while to get where we wanted to go. But yeah, I mean the game's the game, and we chill in mine. But essentially coming into this, uh, originally we was bearish, okay, and I'll show you how and why. It's probably not the same chart, but oh well. Originally was bearish off this rejection block here, and we had this breaker here. We'll just do the bodies. Yeah, but originally it was bearish off this rejection block, that breaker. As you can see, we were still respecting it. 840 was respecting it. And what we wanted to see was where we're inside this breaker, we can actually make it look a bit nicer. Because in the hourly, we were still respecting it. And 9 o'clock was still respecting it, but then we obviously closed above. But essentially, if you look on the M5, when we closed, well, when we come up to the breaker, I wanted to see its own breaker form inside of here because we've got rejection block breaker. We're coming back to the original breaker, so I wanted to see a new breaker form if we wanted to go lower into into sell side. We did not get that, so we had the high low, higher high. This would be the lower low, and as you can see, okay, that's really bad. We did not close. If you look on CME, actually, we'll just do it on CME. That's perfect. We did not close below our breaker, meaning that it's kind of not. It's not called this, but I've just called it today. It's called a rejected breaker where we fail to form the breaker. So maybe showing higher prices. But yeah, same logic applies. This H1 rejection block, PD array here, and then this breaker inside we're still respecting, and 5 time frames. Yeah, same logic applies. Coming into here, wanted to see this get closed below. It could actually be pretty interesting to see if we've already used a PD. If we're coming up to an old breaker, like, well, this is obviously the hourly, but if it was coming up to an old breaker like this one, there we go. Do we respect it or reject it? And right now we failed to make that breaker, so we was very bullish. We can go back onto my chart now. We was bearish until we then got our new breaker, which I know it's ugly, but it's here. Now, this is where we want to get into my chart because it's got all the annotations from when I switched. But essentially, yeah, I was bearish until then. we got the rejected breaker, we pushed up. Now we formed a new M5 breaker. Uh, Obviously, as well, pre-market, we did take out some buy side as well. Like well, not pre-market, 9:30 come up and took out this buy side liquidity on that hourly. So hence why we got the move, but we didn't want to keep going lower because we didn't make this breaker, and that's calm. Obviously, we did have sell side like the day London Open took out sell side. We then made a breaker here. There, we respected it, pushed off. So yeah, if we just looked at London breaker, technically we was bullish. As you can see as well, uh, look what tapped in 8:30 and we pushed higher. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that on the chart just because I want to show the boys after. But essentially, I've already done this screenshot, I believe. Where is it? Where is my? Should be here. Okay, it's not there. All right then, we'll make it now. But yeah, we was bullish due to here. We then pushed above, obviously making that breaker. We then also took up buy side, which is the reason for this rejection at 10. 10 o'clock then open low. What did we tap into on 10 o'clock open low? This order block. And well, it's not like it's relevant, but like the rejected breaker, the breaker that was going to be. I can actually put that there. So yeah, we had this M5 breaker, pushed up, we closed above this high, which I used to bottom tick. As you can see, I don't know if it'll be the exact 5-minute candle. Yeah, it was, yeah. So I bottom ticked there. Obviously, I could have held for higher, but if you was trading this, you know that this was not a good day for like, to sit through all of this is very, you want to pay yourself during all that. So that's why I only targeted here. Obviously, we ran up to more buy side. Another comment on why I didn't want to hold, mainly due to, yeah, this is equal highs, but it's not within the last 3 days. I had to scroll onto the weekly here to get it, and I normally use hourly buy sides, so look, as you can see here. But yeah, that's the analysis for where we went in bullish. And we're going the 1 minute to show execution as well. So obviously, push up, we make the breaker, we tap into the old high. This candle comes and taps this gap. So guess what that is? Turtle soup. Ooh. Turtle soup there, and that is exactly where we got in. We'll put it like that. And something about this as well, it's not as relevant, but I will show it after I get my screenshot. I suppose this one is the only one that's relevant. And we can put it to there. 10:34. Oh, it's already lined up. Okay, bet. Just keep that there. Can we make this look cleaner? Just for the screenshot. No, I can't. Yeah. So it is that one now. Cool. So yeah, entry was literally on turtle soup and the wave bottom ticking, and then we just targeted this high. Simple, very nice trading day. So yeah, let me get the screenshot now. That's literally all that matters, if I'm being real. Put it in there. example. I mean, it doesn't matter. I'll do both, but okay. So what I wanted to show you guys was we was on call, and I chucked in the chat this particular screenshot. Now, this one was just the executions, but this one particularly, where have I got marked? We've taken out buy side and we've got an M1 breaker. So what I said to the boys was, we're probably going to use this M1 breaker to send us lower into this gap. Now, I wish I had this on recording. I mean, I'm sure those that watch me know that I'm not talking out of my, but yeah, essentially we called that. We called this to send us lower, and guess what we did? That sent us lower. So, big dub. Big dub today. Also, yeah, I forgot to say as well, the main hourly PD array that we had, maybe I've missed that in the screenshot then actually. Maybe that's, let me check. Can you see it? No, because it's literally that line. Okay, let me add that, just because I think I forgot to talk about that. Obviously when we was bearish, this was our PD array with the order block, but when we close above here, that our PD array was just the CSD. Just thought I'd mention that. There we go. I'll chuck this out as well. H1 CSD. Just because it's very important. Okay. There we go. So yeah, lots of confidences. But yeah, regarding this now, we can take these off our charts and just keep it plain. This is quite, well, it's not crazy, but like, it's interesting. Where was our buy side? I'll just keep this on recording just because why not? Right there. M5 buy side. M5 breaker. There we go. And well, we've kind of been rejecting here, but yeah, it's not as pretty. That's not as pretty, man. The M1 was way cleaner. Actually, no, we'll just make that one. Yeah, that's about it for the for the video. I don't know why I just waffled for so much, but yeah, mine. It's actually. Where's my line at, bro? can't lie, I don't really care now. You boys can just watch it. That should be fine. There we go. Oh, bro. There we go. Oh, bro, though. There we go. Alright, anyways, let me end the video there before I start just doing random stuff. Alright, sweet. Another dub, 4 out of 4 this week. Can we end it? 5 out of 5. Next week, tomorrow got probably, I can't lie, tomorrow's probably the best day to trade. Like all week, it's been so bad. President Trump speaking plus no news. Powell speaking twice in the morning with CPI. Today was alright. And then Friday was wash. So, yeah, mine. Big dub, snug. Great trading week. Alright, boys. In a bit.